Why don't you tell me how you started writing poetry?
I started writing poetry because I fell in love, and I needed to express my feelings. I realized that poetry is a rhythmic articulation of feeling.
What is obscenity, and to whom? Ginsberg's life
Apparently has had this kind of rhythm.
Oh, skinny legions, run outside!
There are books that have the power to change men's minds.
The eternal war is here!
Let there be no running from non-existent destroyers of morals.
Oh, victory!
Let there be light.
We're free!
What is the Beat Generation?
There's no Beat Generation. Just a bunch of guys trying to get published.